baburi GWESOKIA ase obonge elio bailike ko ABAAKI CHIKURA nenchereyemo yokwiyarigania ase Obochori Obonene obuburi Bosio mwaka bw'ekiri 2025 nebere nonyanabo niga Abednego Maina oyokurigikirwo ky'obugabana ime county ya Nyamira aboririe abarai gwetangana ekisegi ase emesangerekano erinde siasa chikorekane ky'omurembe obasabira ABASAE boigo baisokia ase obonge kurigia ebirogo by'oborai ase ebirengo ekiagera nonya mbarabo nabo bakogamba
asa mareta nguru kwa Abednego Maina igongure county ya Nyamira na nchebne youth kuru Nyamira igontete gukwanira abantu banyambira n'abantu ba Kisi county gusase gusi kwa jumla a message specific yako nasaba youths bali batakucha baka CHIKURA gose batakubata CHIKURA boni go muchakato twachakire no yoko make sure igenteke tangani igora rie twakonye musike Fred Okengo Matiang'i abe president nto yokora binte bikonya nto gukunyara kubwata ekura bono gochaki next week egotote kwetakira sena kweni encourage abantu baito bonse pi babwate ekura ende tunya wakira musike Fred Matiang'i na ntu barito kuboria sebiro gebinde buno bugabana nchinkuburi bugabana banyamira ende tunya konyora CHIKURA chire sana ko toikaranse biro gebyo na ende gento kende kya maana esiasa yechigun esiasa yokumukia mete ya makombe okonyora umuntu kusamatanga mwana siasa kakwanda matanga asekete egento ba invested resources no kwa abantu amakombe namaru abantu twaso uitana siasa yuteri ko yakonya kende kobe guni temete no be respected but kuno goita abana okonya goitania abantu na goitana goiterenia manyinga siasa yinde tente no Fred Matiang'i muntu rwese orese team yae eto kusaria mangana gunism tikatuanza ko compete in terms of ideas oyo bwa the best idea yokonye community yeto gose yokonye county yeto chonsi a win fair so that do siri obochinko bwa abantu nya kurwana chi amatanga kwanyora montaje ne chikundi chae abande banza konye koitana na indege ntokende bono maete agency protest ya tosometi evijana igo batakerete kenyeye amangana maya bono kibatakerete kenyeye amangana maya bono we have to believe in these youths. Now the only way to believe in these youths no kuba environment kubali bagase siasa. Let's believe in these youths. Etabia watana vijana ni the leaders of tomorrow is over. We have been waiting for that tomorrow and today we are here. Wana toa uri baga tutigechi power brokers banya broke vijana mwatuari mwamenye ni siasa miaka menge bona it's our time to baleta new ideologies, new ways of doing things to the current generation. One our time to the whole country of youth responsible Kenya. In Boniga, we are squeezing ourselves, we are pushing the old guys so that we can show them the best leadership. The reason to go so into leadership is because into youth we don't believe Obonyomba, we don't believe in tribalism, all we want is the best second creator. And that's why all youths back Kenya our space must be occupied by the youths. And here we are presenting ourselves and youth are ready to occupy the space. The space is empty for us to take over.